Hi there, Scott with Seaman Custom Builds. Welcome back to the channel. On a recent project, I needed to cut a 9-inch thick 100-year-old newel post on my bandsaw. To my surprise, I got a lot of gunk on the blade. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean your bandsaw blades to give them new life. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. We'll want to work safely with gloves. First, we'll open up the top access door so we can spin the blade by hand. So using a razor knife, I'm just going to manually spin the blade and try to knock off as much as possible to start with. Now we'll remove the blade and wrap it up to spray down with a cleaner. There's a link above to how to wrap up your bandsaw blade. So first I'll release the tension on the blade, open up all the access panels, and then remove the blade. All right, now with some gloves, safety glasses, simple green, blade rolled up in a 5-gallon bucket. First, we'll add our blade into the bucket. And this is on there pretty good, so I'm not going to dilute. Pour a little bit in to let it soak. Just work it around so we can soak it in the cleaner. So I'm going to get to where my weld spot is so I know where I start and finish. Using an old toothbrush, just going to give a little scrub as it goes through. We'll go around, if there's any spots we missed, we'll just go back and make sure we get those cleaned up well, and then we'll be ready to reassemble. All right, so we're looking pretty good, so we'll pull it out and just wipe off any excess. And give it a visual inspection, but that looks a lot better for about 10 minutes worth of work. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to clean your bandsaw blades and give them longer life. And remember, don't just build, create. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share. There are also links below to any products or tools used during this video.